Hallo, hallöchen, meine lieben Freunde, damit herzlich willkommen zurück zu Kelvin and the Infamous Maschine. Ich habe hier etwas vergessen. Das ist mir gestern schon aufgefallen. Wir haben jetzt einen Mörser.
Pulverized.
Okay. So. Entschuldigt. Ich habe jetzt eben noch ein bisschen die Stimmen runtergestellt. Ja, was haben wir denn jetzt eigentlich im Rucksack? Noch Briefe, eine Hand aus Holz, Sägespäne, ein Horn und pulverisierte Kohle. Kann ich da vielleicht was reintun?
I have to make sure nobody else makes the same mistake I did.
Tatsache. Und
Fancy another cup? I've tweaked the settings to make it even more delicious. What's in it? Trade secret, my friend. It's not people, right? I saw this one movie where it was people. Trade secret, my friend.
sehr beruhigend.
So, how does the Gronk work? I couldn't rightly tell you. The manual's in German. It's a bit finicky about what you put in it, though. I left a few twigs in the last batch and nearly blew the whole thing to pieces. What? Are you sure that thing's even meant for making tea? No, sir. So, how...
Oh,
it's a bit...
falsch
I left a
gedrückt,
few...
so.
What? All right, sure. Hit me. That's the spirit. Fie, not again.
Kann ich die Tasse jetzt nicht einfach nehmen? Was hat mir das jetzt gebracht? Nee, mal ernsthaft, was hat mir das jetzt gebracht?
That does not need a hand. I don't think that will work.
Okay. Kann man hier was wegnehmen? Tatsache, der Trichter. Okay.
Oh, confound it all!
Sehr gut, der ist jetzt weggegangen. Gehe ich aber trotzdem erstmal hier hin. Okay, der will nicht reden. Da ist unser Bogenschießerass.
Oh, look out! It's a self-righteous conservationist.
Where? Don't do that to me, man. Your blood pressure can't handle.
Jetzt ist noch ein Finger übrig, okay?
borrow one of those?
Okay.
Rude. Hey, a real-life lumberjack!
Keep it down, people. I'm in the zone.
Oh, sorry. Can I borrow one of your tools?
I guess I'm cool with it if Brian H. Jensen is.
Who's Brian H. Jensen? Ah, got it. Wow, you're really taking it that long.
Gotta show these other trees who's in charge. Otherwise, they walk all over you.
That's, Could I hire you to cut some wood for me?
This lumberjack jacks lumber for one man, himself.
Not even as a favor for your dear friend Kelvin?
Sorry, kid. I have one friend, and he's too busy being a dog to ask me for any favors.
You named your dog Brian H. Jensen? Isn't that a little formal?
A noble dog deserves a noble name.
Fair enough. What does the H stand for?
Huggy Wuggies.
Brian Wurzel Jensen.
Keep on chopping.
All day.
Interessant. Nun denn, Brian. So. Vielleicht, wenn ich nochmal hier die Dings tröte.
Oh no, said Larry. We'll never defeat the Gorpus without a super smart math magician. Huh? Those guys are hacking. This is... Suddenly, Isaac Newman appeared, and he was a genius. I will help you, Larry, he said really smartly. Huh? Whatever. At least I have a life, nerds.
Okay. Newton ist also da drüben. Jetzt müssen wir dem einen Apfel auf den Kopf werfen lassen. Wer kennt das nicht, diese berühmte Stelle, wo Isaac Newton der Apfel auf den Kopf fällt und er dann eigentlich die Schwerkraft entdeckte? So.
Under reparation. It's locked up tight.
Meins. Meins.
Boom! Pistol!
Gut. Rechen.
Not...
Oh, joy. You again.
Weren't you working on something before you started reading those books?
What concern is it of yours?
I'm a fellow scientist. I, too, seek answers to life's great mysteries.
If you must know, I was researching the motion of heavenly bodies.
You mean like supermodels?
Planets, you dimwit. I was trying to determine what dictates the nature of their motion around the sun.
Hey, great! You stopped reading that book.
I had no choice. The library is approximately as quiet as an opera about cannons. I might as well take a break and try to get some real work done.
Now you're talking. What are you working on?
Larry Plotter fan fiction, obviously.
Oh, for crying out loud. Looks like you have some mail.
Oh, perhaps my Larry Plotter fan club application has been approved.
Gehen wir ihm einfach mal nach. Oh, jetzt ist offen. Gott, oh Gott, oh Gott.
So impressed that you aren't going to kick me out?
Ah!
Okay, wir müssen uns da wohl verstecken. Jetzt weiß ich auch, warum wir
I
mehr
think some
Post
more mail
haben.
arrived.
Well, that's odd. I wonder if this time it's actually addressed to me.
Ja, jetzt ist er weg.
Thanks for the help, conveniently placed bushes.
Kelvin, what did you do? Kelvin, Isaac Newton is currently known throughout history
Perfect. Mission accomplished.
for having written the single worst fan fiction ever.
Oh, okay. But how do we know that isn't what he's supposed to be famous for?
The fan fiction is titled Larry Plotter and the Insufferable Nuisance in the Ugly Vest.
Well, I mean, that could be anybody.
Damn it, Kelvin! The temporal lattice is starting to unravel. I'll do what I can to stabilize it from here, but you need to fix whatever you did and fast. Lease out.
Ja, ja, ist ja gut, Lies.
This guy sure likes his clocks. Shiny. There's a plumb bob hanging from the well.
Dann nimm
There's
ihn
a
doch.
plumb bob hanging from the well.
Okay, jetzt haben wir eine Schere.
These are full of something dark and viscous. Oil, maybe? I'm not sure how those go together.
Okay, weiter kommen wir nicht. Ein Zahnrad. Gut, jetzt hockt er da. Lassen wir den einfach mal sitzen. Mir ist da nämlich noch was eingefallen. Und zwar war hier doch in der Bücherei meine ich ein Bild.
That does not need to be raked. Huh. He may be an unhinged egotistical maniac, but his cosplay game is on point.
So, dann haben wir das Bild. Jetzt ist aber immer noch die Frage.
Please do not touch the magnet, unless you have a scholarly reason to do so.
Ich habe doch einen wissenschaftlichen Grund.
I'll need to pick the magnet up to do anything useful with it. I'll need to pick the magnet up to do anything useful with it.
Naja, gut. Kann man hier was damit machen? Da ist eine Tür.
This won't do any good in its current condition.
Das Zahnrad ist zu rostig. Das Einzige, wo ich jetzt Wasser gesehen habe, war, glaube ich, ja, der Brunnen von dem hier.
I'll be right back.
Hooray!
I'm not sure how those go together.
Okay.
That doesn't need tongs. The rust came right off. Amazing. Oh god, I sound like an infomercial.
Ja, ich wollte es nicht sagen, aber ja. Jetzt kommt das Zahnrad zu den anderen.
Uh-oh. Looks like this ball return has a faulty, transistor.
A faulty what?
Transistor. It's highly technical. Fortunately, I have a replacement right here. Go ahead, take a test shot.
Huch, da liegt er.
Good as new.
Der ist weg, der ist halt weg. Vielleicht kann man damit den Hund irgendwie bezirzen.
Oh, come on! I just fixed that!
So, jetzt haben wir eine Schere.
I guess this fence is just doomed to be broken.
Tja, ja. Vielleicht kann man mit der Schere das Pendel da irgendwie abschneiden, das da beim Brunnen war. Und wenn das Pendel vielleicht dann magnetisch ist, könnte man den Magneten nehmen.